Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic size happy planner for the week of September 7th through the 13th. And the theme that I'm going to be using for this week's spread is actually pretty special to me. So September 9th, Wednesday, is actually National Teddy Bear Day. And I thought, well, what a fun way to highlight one of my collectibles, which are called Lucy Bears. So I don't know if you're familiar with what a Lucy Bear is, but they are these little small, maybe, let's see, about 2.5-inch porcelain bear figurines. They were popular in the, probably 80s and 90s. This is actually one of the first Lucy Bears that I got when I was a kid. I'll insert a picture here of my entire collection. They don't make Lucy Bears anymore, and I stopped collecting them years ago, but they're special to me. So let me start here the way I always do, by laying down some washi tape. So I had a lot of surgeries as a kid, and so one of the first couple Lucy Bears that I ever got was a patient bear and that doctor bear that I showed you. And my collection just kind of grew from there. I liked bears more as a kid. Obviously, you know, little girls tend to like teddy bears. But I'm not super bear crazy. I don't continue to collect bears. And like I said, the Lucy rig porcelain set stopped being made. You can still find some on Etsy. Or no, not Etsy, but eBay. The collection is more just sentimental to me. They're not really worth more in value than they were when I first bought them years ago. They're just real special to me. I got a lot of them from my mom, and she's no longer with me, so they remind me of her. So what I've done is I've gone on the internet and I've printed out a lot of Lucy bears and just printed them and put them on my sticker paper. So I'm going to use those plus some of my happy planner stickers. So let's dig in here. Put down my weekend sticker. And obviously I didn't really have any bear focused big quote stickers, so I'm just going to use this one that says currently loving. And then I will put one of my bears. How cute will that be? Another thing I did unique to this week's spread is I went to some of my craft paper, cut it with my classic size punch, and I'm going to make kind of my own decorative background. I do have some of these that kind of match that I might use some of, but I also want to use some of these. Just gonna use some of my Tombow double-sided tape here. Hopefully that will stick well enough. Now I've got all this craft paper, and I want to try to find some ways to use it. It's looking cute. Let's see, a green one here. And then we'll put like a yellow one here. And I can do another flower here. So again, these are classic kind of Lucy Bear patterns. They not only put out the bears, but they would put out, you know, different porcelain plates and fabrics and whatnot as part of their product line. So what I did is I printed these out and then cut them to size to fit the classic size box. Okay, and then we'll put, I think we'll do like that one there. Do this one down here. I know this doesn't really match, but they also were very big on the holidays. So they had bear specific stuff for every holiday. So like this one's Halloween. I think this one was Valentine's Day. So that'll be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That can be Friday. And then I'm gonna put Saturday down here. Saturday and Sunday, actually. I'll just stick that there. Okay, so now that I have somewhere to write for every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we'll go ahead and put down some of my bears. Put that there. Put that there. Okay, there you go. I think this turned out really cute. I can most assuredly say this is an original spread. I don't think anyone else has thought to do a Lucy Bear Happy Planner spread. I'm excited to see what it looks like after the pen. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it maybe inspired you to think about ways you could get creative in your planners. And so yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content that I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks guys, bye.